Good morning, YouTube. I'm going to take things to the next level today. I got lots to do. I got videos to make, and I got subscribers to get. So I got to turn this studio slash 3D print room slash my office into one seamless entity. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Will. If you've been here before, you know this isn't the same. So yeah, I've moved around a little bit, try to get the lighting a little bit better and get the sound going a little bit better. Let's just get started right quick. I wanted to touch base with you on the Fusion 360 headphone mount that we did yesterday or day before yesterday. It got printed out and it turned out fabulous. As you can see, I just got it mounted up against this desk here just to see how it was going to work, and it seems it's going to be fine. It's, of course it would be. I mean, it's just what it is, you know, and that's what I love about 3D printing. 3D printing, you just think of something you need, you just put it in the computer and you just print it out. I love that shit. So anyway, next thing is I'm getting this error from one of my P1S's, and now what that tells me is when I first got it, it had wiring pulled from underneath it. It was in a mess. So what I did was I kind of soldered it back into place, the wires back to the boards underneath there. But what I need to do is completely remove it out of there. So that's what I'm going to do tomorrow morning, Sunday morning, is pull that heat bed off of Trinity and see if we can't get that one calibrated again. But really, other than that, I just wanted to touch base with you, make sure that everything's working good here, and let you know that, yeah, I'm still around. But I appreciate you stopping by. If you made it this far, give me a little like. I'd appreciate it. Other than that, I'll talk to you guys tomorrow or Monday. Thanks, YouTube. In 3, 2, 1. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Will. And if you're not, then there's only 50 of you. So nice to see you again. No, maybe dizzy. Hey, YouTube. How you doing? How you doing, good? Do you want to see my fingers?